Uh, you can write down T code also. T code is OBYZ. T code is OBYZ. Okay. Then when you will click on this check calculation procedure, then small screen is open. So here double click on access sequence. Okay. After clicking on check calculation procedure, next double click on access sequence.
Okay.
Then continue. Okay. After that, click on position button and select JGSO. Click on position button and select JGSO, which is for, you can write on description, JGSO description is IN GST for output taxes. IN India GST for output taxes.
Okay.
Okay. Then select this JGSO and double click on accesses. Select this JGSO line and double click on accesses. Okay. And this one, please write down number, table, description, and this checkbox also. Okay.
Yeah.
After that, yeah, select this line, number 5 line. Okay. And then double click on fields. Select this line, number 5, this first one, and then double click on fields. And please write down this one. GST for input taxes, same we have done in our previous, like when we were doing this for input taxes, AP and GST. So same like that time it was input taxes, this time it is GST for output taxes. So please write down this one, fields. Okay.
एक सेकंड. Done.
Okay. So come one step back, then select this 10 line, number 10 line, and again double click on fields. Okay. This time number 10, select this line completely and then double click on fields. So yeah, please write down this one. Okay. So please write down fast because we have to complete today. Okay, this configuration. Okay, done.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah. So same way, please come one step back. Okay. And now select this number 20 line and double click on fields. Come one step back, select number 20 line and double click on fields. Now please write down same way, this one also.
Done.
Okay. So same, come one step back, select this 30 line, number 30 line, text classification, and then double click on fields. There are two details only, conditions, and these all, please write down.
Okay.
Okay. Now come back. Okay. Come back to small this window, and here access sequence we have completed. Now come back two times, and now double click on condition types. Okay. Next, in this configuration only, now in this configuration second part, double second no second part, define condition types. Give subheading, define condition types.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Okay.
yeah. See, for me, condition type is already available. If you, for you guys also it is available, then you guys just select and you can click on details button to check the inside its detail. If it is not there, then you we need to create this one. So you can write down if it is there, then you can check the details. If it is not there, then click on new entries. Okay, write down. If it is not there, then click on new entries and uh, give condition type JOCG, give condition type JOCG, and its description IN central GST dash OP. Okay, access
Okay.
sequence which we have created, which was there in the previous step, JGSO, GST for output taxes. You can write down all these details. Condition classification, this one, condition class, calculation type, percentage, condition category. These all details as it is, please write down.
Okay.
It should be there in your system, IDS system also. But if it is not there, then like this, with these details, we need to create. Okay.
Hmm.
So next you write down, please repeat the same configuration for JOSG. This one was for central GST. So you can write down repeat the same configuration for JOSG, then JOIG, then JOUG. IG means interstate GST, and then Union Territory. Okay. So
Hmm.
repeat the same for JOSG, JOIG, and JOUG. Same details. There also need to give. Okay.
Yes.
Then come back to this small screen. Here, two steps we completed. Now please give next subheading. Define procedures. Define or change tax procedures. Please give this subheading. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sorry. Now change this one tax procedure. So for we created this one, right, for our tax procedure, L tax IN delete tax procedure. Okay. So after double clicking on tax procedure, we have come to this next screen. Okay. So here select our L tax IN. Okay. And then double click on control data. Please write down, select this L tax IN, then double click on control data. Okay, so here after coming to this next screen, after double clicking on control data, click on new entries. Click on new entries. Here you can please see the screen and write down the details which I am writing. 700 0 enter, sure. Okay, so please write down this only this for central GST, state GST, uh, integrated GST, okay, and then UTGST, Union Territory GST.
Done.
Okay, then click enter, and save in our TR. Okay, so next, now this three configuration we completed. In one configuration, this three steps sub configuration we completed. Now please give next heading. Go to SM30. By T code only we will go. Write down, please. Go to SM30. Okay, and give table here J underscore one IEXCD. You can see the screen also. J underscore one IEXCD EFN. This table. And okay,
Okay.
and after click on maintain button. After giving table, click on maintain button. Okay, so here we will see our tax procedure which is related. Okay, so this one I think
In
we have already done. I think so. Array tax IN. Okay, array tax IN. No, JO we have done for J this one input tax, right? We did not complete for the output tax. So you can write down after that. Click on new entries. Click on new entries and give our procedure. Array tax IN. Condition type JOCG. Condition name CG star CG star ARGST. Next one, error text IN, JOUG, SG star, SG star AR, SGST. Third one, JOIG, IG star. Okay. Fourth one, JOUG, UTG. Okay, only these four details please write down and save in our TR.
Done.
Okay, so now give next
Hmm.
configuration step, assign country to calculation procedure. Assign country to calculation procedure.
पिछले वाला कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हेडिंग क्या है?
पिछले वाला configuration. Because that we
Hmm.
saved in TR, you can write on the heading. Calculate assign calculation procedure to condition types. Yes, sub you can give heading assign calculation procedure to condition type.
Okay.
Okay, and this one is assign country to calculation procedure. You can write on same path as previous to previous step. Same path as previous to previous step.
Okay.
And T code is OBBG. T code is OBBG.
Hmm.
Okay. So now, after coming inside to this configuration, click on position button, give country IN. Now here we can see this one we have already done. Just we are verifying whether India, like our like in which country we want to do this, taxation. So that country should have our configured tax procedure with which we are assigning the condition type and doing various configuration. So suppose in India we want to active the tax. Okay, so our country is already, country is having this tax procedure assigned. Same way, if we will do, we want in US, UK, or any other country. So same way, we should assign the tax procedure like that only. So here it is already assigned.
Hmm.
So now please give next configuration step. Okay. So define tax codes for sales and purchases. Define tax codes for sales and purchases.
Different tax codes.
For sales and purchases. This is very important because here we assign tax code percentage. Okay, in this FTXP is the T code. T code is FTXP. So this T code please remember because this is important. Okay, define tax codes for sales
Okay.
and purchases FTXP. Then I will come inside to this configuration. Okay, I will click on that configuration. After that, give country IN and continue. Give country IN, click continue, click enter. Okay, so this time I will try to give AA. Okay, I will try to give AA. So give text code double A and click enter. Now this small screen is open. Okay, for that asking for the details. So here I will give text code details. Dilip.
Hmm.
Dilip, okay. Tax code, I have given double A. Tax code, that, and then it is asking for description. So I am giving description Dilip, 18% output. Dilip, 18% output CGST and SGST. Tax
Okay.
code type A. A means output tax. That is why I'm trying to keep tax code, this one details as double A. So it is a little bit, it is quite easy to understand whether it is output or input. So it is output. So
To remember.
yeah. So please give a text type A, which is output text. Then click enter. Okay. So here we need not to do anything, because when we will define condition, from that condition it will it will take what? It will take 99%, 9% in CGST and
Percentage.
9% in SGST. So this time right now, no need to give the percentage, because at the time of condition when we will define, that will bring here the percentage automatically. Okay. So after coming to this screen, now simply save it. Okay. Now you can see this message, text code double A was created. It is created. Okay.
Mm.
So now first text code we've created. Now please give like second text
Okay.
code, let us create. Now give text code AB. We will create text code AB. Okay. Second text code AB. Click enter same way. Click enter. Now a small screen is opened. So here we want with 28% CGST and SGST. So Dilip, 28% output CGST and SGST, tax type A, okay, tax type A, then click enter and save it, save it. Okay, so now third, third tax code we will create. You can write down third one, AC. It is for interstate IGST. Give third tax code AC. Same way, click enter. Now tax code description. Delete 18% output. Delete 18% output IGST interstate and tax type A output tax type A output tax. Then click enter and simply save it. Click enter and simply save it. Okay. Then fourth one, last one, give tax code AD. Give tax code AD. Same way, click enter and give tax code description. This time 28% we will create. Dilip, 28% output IGST tax type A. Dilip, 28% output IGST tax type A. Then click enter and save it. Okay. Now let us create the this GL account. This output CGST GL account, SGST GL account. Okay, this GL account let us create. Okay, and IGST GL account also, and WGST GL account also.
The voice is breaking.
Voice breaking. Okay, 1 minute.
Mm.
Network issue I have. Okay, now is it okay?
Yeah, yeah, better.
Okay. So please give next heading. Go to FS00. Go to FS00. We will create a tax GL account. Okay. So next heading. Go to FS00. This is master data only. GL master data. So give GL account 160 100 160 100 and click on create button. Click on create button. Account group select. Please select account group L160.
Liability.
Yeah, L160 tax payable. Okay, 1 minute.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute. Yeah, give this one L160. This tax payable. Okay, account group and please give short description and long description. Short description and long description as output CGST, output CGST account. Okay, in both short and long. Output CGST account, output CGST account. Then click on control data tab. After that, click on control data tab. Posting without tax allowed. Select this checkbox. Tax category star. Open item, line item display. Select open item, line item display. Sort key
One
001.
second.
No.
Okay.
Okay. So next, click on create bank details tab. Okay, and here give field status group G001. Click on create bank details tab and give field status group G001 and save this GL. Save this GL. Okay. So now after that
Okay.
we will create second GL account. Okay, from copying with template we will create. So please give next heading create 160 200 for SGST. Okay, create 160 200 with copying from with template copying from 160 100 160 100. Simply only change the description, output SGST, output SGST. Okay, only change the short text and long text and save it. Change the
Okay.
short text and long text to SGST. Rest all the things will be same. Okay. Now give next heading. Create third GL. Create GL 160300. Create third GL 160300 with same with
Okay.
template copying from 16000. Okay, and change the short text and long text as IGST. Only change the short text and long text to IGST
Okay.
and save it. Now please create fourth. Write down create 160400 fourth GL. Same way copying from 16000. Now only change the short text and long text as UTGST.
Okay.
Okay, so this one is done. Now please give next configuration step. Next configuration step. Define tax accounts. Okay, define tax account. This is also important configuration step only.
Mm.
So please write down the path SPRO, financial accounting new. Okay, after financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, financial accounting global settings new. After that, tax on sales slash purchases, tax on sales purchases, tax on sales purchases. After that, postings. After that, postings.
Okay.
Okay, after that, define tax accounts. After that, define tax accounts. T code is OB40. T code is OB4040. Define tax accounts. Double click on configuration. Now we have come to inside to this configuration. So here, uh, double click on JOC. So first we need to find the JOC. So you can see JOC, this one. JOC means you can write down, double click on JOC. JOC is Central IN Central GST OP. Okay. So double click on JOC, which is Central GST IN Central GST OP.
Okay.
After double clicking on it, it will give chart of account. Give our chart of account LOCA. After giving chart of account, click on continue or click enter. Then simply save it.
Okay.
Here, give output CGST GL account 160100, which we have already created in our previous step. Give GL account here 16000 and save it. Save in our TR.
Only one GL
No, this is
for CG.
central CG,
Yeah.
GST related. So that is why we are giving here only central this one. Next we will do for state, for interstate and UTGST.
Yeah.
Okay. So now please come back after saving in our TR. Save in our TR. Okay. So if we will move the TR, okay, so these changes will be moved. This TR will be this GL account will be moved, but that GL account will not be available, right? Suppose we have done this configuration in golden client of development system. Okay, we have assigned this GL account, right? So this GL account will be moved
Yes.
with the TR from where? From golden client to sandbox or from golden client to anywhere, like in the quality production. But this GL account will also be means moved, right?
Yes.
But this GL
Yes.
account will be available or not? This will be moved, but this GL account will be available or not? Let's suppose from golden client to sandbox we are moving. This
Mm.
configuration and this configuration will bring this one from one system to another system. That is fine. But this GL account in previous step we created, right? This
Yes.
GL account, this configuration wise, this GL account will be moved, but that GL account will not be available in the system. Suppose we are moving from golden client to quality. Okay. So since
Mm-hmm.
so in quality, this configuration will bring this GL, but that GL account has to be created at master data level in FS00.
Okay. So you
Understanding what I'm trying to
sorry.
say? Getting my point?
So in sandbox also you are saying we need to create.
Correct. If suppose we have done this configuration and in Golden we have created the GL account. So here, if we will do the any testing, so it will work. But generally we do testing in the sandbox. We do only
Sandbox.
golden client, only configuration. Just I'm telling, since we have created the GL account, so it will, like in at the time of accounting entry, it will bring the GL. But if we are moving
Mm.
this TR, suppose we have saved this one in TR, we have moved the TR from golden to sandbox. Okay, this GL has come, but that GL account master data wise that is not created. So if without creation of GL we will do any posting, so it will bring error that this GL
Mm.
account is missing. It will show in the like this GL account is missing. So that GL account should be created at the master data level. In sandbox also, in quality also, in production also, GL account and master data has to be created system wise. Not that cannot be carried forward. Okay, you guys are trying
Okay.
understanding what I'm saying. Configuration wise
Yes,
this
bro.
will be
Yes.
moved, but that master level has to be created separately.
Yeah,
This is what
understood.
I'm trying to say. Okay, so second one, second, double click on
JOS.
JOS, which is for state. JOS, which is IN state GST OP. Same, give chart of account LOCA and click on save. If you want to see the accounts, please see the screen. Click on accounts. Okay, okay. First save, it is asking for save rows. Okay, so here what is our for state, what is our GL account? 160200.
160, 200.
Yeah, 160200. And then click on, if you want to see the posting keys, click on posting keys. Do you want to save? Yes. Save, first save and click on posting, posting rules, posting key, sorry. And you can see here debit and credit.
Mm.
Okay. So we have done this one. So third one JOI, double click on JOI, which is IN integrated GST OP. Double click on JOI. Okay, click on save and here give this one, this GL 160300, 160300 and save.
Okay.
Okay, now come back. Now this time give JOU. JOU is in UTGST. Okay, save it same way and give GL account 160 400 and save it. Save in our TR. Okay. Now give next configuration. Next configuration step: business place wise tax account assignment. Give
Hmm?
heading business place wise tax account assignment. Okay. Go to SM30 to do this configuration. Go to SM30. Go to SM30 and here give table. You can see the screen. Give here table J underscore 1IT030K underscore V. Please write down this table.
Okay.
Then select no restrictions radio button and click on maintain button. Select no restriction radio button, click on maintain button. Okay. Then give chart of account LOCA, give chart of account LOCA and then give transaction JOC, center GST related. Okay. Then click enter, click enter. After coming to next screen, click on new entries, click on new entries. Here give business place. You can see this is business place. Telangana related business place, AP related business place, and give GL account, output GL account 16000 for all. Then save in our TR. Okay, give GL account 16000. Okay, like in all four fields for TS for Telangana related business place and AP, and save in our TR. Okay, come back and this time give chart of account LOCA, come back and give chart of account LOCA and give transaction this time JOS for state output SGST. Give transaction JOS and click continue. Click continue. Then click on new entries. Then click on new entries. Now I did not understand why it is not asking for range. It is asking. It is here. It is like this. This screen. Why it is like this? Okay. So in all, like in TS01, give GL account range 160,200, 160,200. Okay, and below also 160 for AP also 160,200, 200. Okay, in four fields, same GL account, state state output GST related. Okay, and save in our TR. Save in our TR. Come one step back, same way, and click on maintain. Come one step back, click on maintain, and here give transaction this time. Give transaction JOI. Then click enter, and after coming to this, next screen, click on new entries, give business place, two business place, and give GL account what 160,300. Yeah, in all four fields. Okay, and save in our TR. Save in our TR. The third one also done. So come back one step and click on maintain and this time give transaction as JOU. Click on continue.
You.
Give transaction JOU. Click on continue. Click on new entries. Give business place TS01, AP01. This time GL account 160400. 160400, 160400, 160400. Save in our TR. Okay, done. Now this configuration we have done. Configuration wise, now we are ready. So, but uh, let us do this condition record. This setting. So give next heading. Go to condition records. Configuration we have completed. Okay, all configuration we are done. So now please give next heading. Go to condition records. SV11 is the T4. Same way we used to do for accounts payable and MM for the GST. Same way we are maintaining condition here also. Go to FV11.
Mm.
Give condition type JOCG. Give condition type JOCG and click enter. Click enter
Okay.
and then select this text classification radio button. Select text classification radio button and then click continue.
Mm-hmm.
Then click continue. You can see this first one is tax code. So give tax code AA, amount 9. Here also tax code AA. Second one is AB, amount 14. Okay, because we have defined AA as 18%. This is, you can see, central GST. So I'm keeping 9% and second one was 28%. So I'm keeping half for CGST 14%. Okay, now save it. Save in our TR. So actually this is not a part of configuration. This is system specific. That is why it is not asking for TR. It is not a configuration. It's system specific. Okay. So you can see this condition are records saved. Okay. So now come back, save it and come back. Now second, give condition type now this time JOSG. Give condition type JOSG. Okay. And click enter. JOSG, click enter. Select text classification radio button. Select text classification radio button. Click continue. Okay. Tax code AA, amount 9.
Maybe.
And second one is AB, amount 14. Again tax code AB. Okay. Then save it. Save this one. Okay. After that, come back. Give condition type JOIG. Third one, give condition type JOIG. Then click continue. Click enter. And then select radio button. Text classification. Click continue. Okay.
Okay.
Here
AC.
AC 18%. Again AC tax code again. Then AD 28%. AD 28%. Okay. Then save it.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. ACAD completed. Now all completed. Let us do the testing. Let us check whether our this one is done or not quickly. So give next heading. Testing we are starting. So we are all good with the configuration and the condition record. So now please give next heading. Testing we are starting. Okay. So give first this one post customer is first testing step. You can give heading GST with accounts receivable. We are first testing. This is not SD wise. That is why we were selecting while defining condition tax classification only. We were not selecting tax country region. Those things we will do in the SD side. Okay. So
Okay.
first first post customer invoice with GST AR. Directly I'm coming with T code. You can give T code FB70.
Okay.
Okay. Jaswal customer I want to select Jaswal customer. So select Jaswal, which we have created in our previous steps. So select Jaswal customer and invoice date, today's date I will give. Reference I will give AR GST 01 AA calculate tax. Okay. Now GL account I will give income related 320100 and this one I will give 1 lakh. Business area LHYD profit center 1000. Okay. Now you can see I have given this wrong GL account, this expense GL account. This should be income, right? So wrongly I have given. So let me remove this one and let me give 320100. Okay, income GL account because this is customer related. LHYD profit center 1000. Okay. So you can see the message. Account is not tax relevant. Tax code will be ignored. This account 320100. So we need to, you can write
Mm.
down this message. Yeah. For this one, we should come to 320100 GL account and we should posting without tax, those things we should assign. Posting without tax allowed and tax category star. These two things please assign. Go to FS00 for this GL 320100. Tax category give star and posting without tax allowed checkbox tick.
Okay.
Okay, and save it. So now come back to this that testing that one. Go back to FB70. In this line, if HSN code also, you can see here HSN slash SAC.
Mm.
Okay, so give
Mm.
here this one 998312. Okay, this one HSN slash SAC, this one is not defined. So since it is not defined, let us see F4, let us see and we will check whether we have. this is a service, right? So we can take this one. Let me take this. I'm taking this one. Okay, enter.
Okay.
So here you can see tax is not calculated because still that message was coming. So what I need to do, I need to go back and come back to this one again, and I need to give this all details again one more time, because you can see the tax was not getting calculated. So that is the reason I'm coming back. I'm going again to this one, 18%. 320 100 we did, right? Then why relevant to tax this will be ignored? It is telling 320 100 we have done. Data save. And changes. Hmm. Okay, check tax code. It is asking to give the tax code. Okay, now AA,
No tax not correct. Mm.
it is calculating. Okay, now let me give SSC code. Let me copy this one. Okay, so if let me simulate this one, you can see 10 lakhs I have given. Okay, 90,090
Okay.
is correctly calculating the output CGST and output SGST. Okay, and then save it. Simulate and save this document. Okay, this error is correct only because I did not give what? I did not give business area and profit center. So that error is correct. RFID, profit center, simulate it and save.